Morning guys, quick intro. I'm on the way to the flat job in Oxford. It's about half an hour, it's 6:30 now. I've got to drill some porcelain tiles today to fit some LED mirrors, 8 in total. So I want to show you those today. I also want to show you some battery packs on some spotlights, and I'll give you a quick walk around the job. I just want to let everyone know that I do read every comment, the good, the bad and the ugly. Some things are just abusive, so they just get auto-blocked by YouTube. Some things are really nice, and I appreciate the comments. People saying my channel is quite informative. I tried to keep it informative to let you guys know what I'm doing. I don't try, you know what I mean? I don't want to tell you, I don't want to tell you too much, because a lot of things you don't want to try, but you shouldn't be trying, because if you're a DIY, do-it-yourself electrician, some things are dangerous. But if you've got a bit of sense about you, you can work out what I'm doing and take it as you want. So thanks for the comments, and we'll see you on the job. Right, I've just loaded the job out, park outside the job first thing, and then wait for the bloke to turn up. Loaded the job out. I'm now walking back from the car where I've just parked down this road where there's parking. So I suppose it's a little bit of exercise for me in the morning. Let's get inside and I'll show you what's what. Okay, so here's the mirrors I've got to fit. They're 600 wide by 800 high, and they also have a demister pad on the back here, and then a little box for the LED down there. So what I'm going to go with, I'm going to keep the mirror level with this, and then 800 high off of there. And what I've done is I marked, you've got on the back of the mirror, you've got like a 2-inch strip, and then inside your fixing will be one there and one there. So I've gone in the centre to miss, that little silver driver sits here, so I've missed that and gone in the centre, and literally 1mm cable from there to there. So it's fairly easy. Make sure you grommet out the side of your box, and definitely 100% you need to wear eye protection and ear protection, because it is loud and it does chip. It's fairly good, but as you can see it does chip slightly, and this will get you in the eye and it will bloody kill. So let's set you up, and what I'll do, actually I'll finish this one first, show it you, and then I'll show you one in progress. To show you the tools that I am using, these are little, they're like arrow-headed porcelain drills. I think they're like £1 screw fix. They're really good for piloting and putting your fixing through, and then you need to hit it with these diamond core drill bits. I'll show you the technique as I'm doing it, but that's the kit I'm using. So with this sort of thing, it's definitely measure twice, cut once. So basically you need to measure centre of that gap, and then the mirror just hangs on those 2 screws, and then there's that little transformer box I told you about. So basically the twin earth, if I can get it out without breaking the mirror. There we go. Whoops. Just goes on there, live, neutral and earth. And then it's got its own sensor on this light, which you can switch the light on and off. My laser set up on my little camera mount that I use. This is Primark. I think it was about £3 or £4, which is quality. So as you can see, the tiler is absolutely spot on with his lines. So basically you want to keep this, you don't need to get this at the right height for the fixings, but at least this gives you a line to work off of, and I know that the tiler's lines are absolutely spot on. So yeah, that's going to give me my straight edge. And then obviously my edge of my, if I put that on the edge of the sink there, pretty much know that's where my mirror is going to end up. Edge of the mirror there. So yeah, I'll get this one up, we'll have a look what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to do it. Dropped these in the other day. Great glass. Perfect. Don't forget coffee. And that one. Left it off so the painter can finish. That circuit's not live yet, but there we go. Also got these finished, these lights. Me and Andy came the other day and we did these. And I've got the lamps for them now. And yeah, they're pretty nice, give you a nice light over the breakfast bar. Another job I've got to do is that pop-up power port, the two USBs. We're just going to set a spur in the back of the cupboard there. Oh, this is a different bathroom. It's a second floor bathroom, it's identical to the one downstairs. Again, this is, on a couple of them, unfortunately, the mirror is going to cover this, so the tiler's got to come back, take out these two tiles, so I can reposition my box. Then he's going to finish, then I can finish, get my cable in, but 3 of these I can do today. So I'll set you up, and then we're going to show you this in depth. Leave a couple of comments, this is the make of the mirror. Guys, what I'm doing first is taking all my measurements, basically centre of the sink, tap, I'm going to take that as centre of the sink and work my way across. And the mirror's 600 wide, so I'm going to work 300 and get my laser set at 300. And then I'm going to mark all my measurements here and here, drill it, drill for this, get the cable in, and I'll show you that as I go. So I'll set you up on the time lapse. Let's go. I'm just setting up for another one. I just want to show you, so you don't think I'm mad, the water isn't on yet to this tap. So what I do is get a little cup of water, and then when I drill and it gets hot, you need to keep dipping the end of the drill bit in there, and then you can drill, dip and drill. Okay, centre hole drilled straight through, knock out and grommet. Still live at the minute, but it's safe because I need the lighting to work. So what I'll do is I'll get this all finished and I'll connect that in last when I can get my head torch or something. So 1 fix in, 2 fix in, hole for the cable. What I'm going to do is put one of those little clear green joint boxes on here, hide that behind the mirror, and then put the mirror up. It's this little clear joint box here, and then these are fantastic little push-in connectors. So I'm going to put that onto the end of there, flex it up, put the mirror up. So it's tea time. I'm just sat having my lunch, and people always say to me, how do you finish work, get home and upload the video the same day and edit it? What I actually do is I'll edit my videos tea time and lunchtime, so when I do get home they're ready. A lot of people say they spend sort of 15, 16, 17, 18 hours doing a video. You can do that, which is fair enough. You want to edit it out, you know, put bits in, music, that's fine, but I try and keep mine as simple as I can and as straightforward. That's why I'm able to do that. So I'm just going to have my sandwich and then we're going to carry on. Right, so cable is now connected in the little Greenbrook junction box. 2 cord grips on either side, nice little box they are. Now I'm going to put the screws in. Where are you? So I've gone for the bigger head. These are a 10 screw, like 1.5 inches. So basically just put 2 wall plugs in. 1, 2, and then get your little hammer. And then screw that in, leaving it probably 5 mil proud. Like so. And then just fit your mirror. calculations are right, that junction box should fit either side of that transformer. Okay, after a bit of wiggling, there we go, she's on, smack in the middle. All that leaves me to do now is connect the cable into the lighting circuit, so I've got to isolate the lighting circuit, and we'll come back and I'll show you the mirror on. Right, circuit's now back on. I've connected it in. I need to give this a good clean, but now if you just wave your hand under here, there you go, you get your nice little LED light where you can do your makeup and whatnot. And then hand underneath, switches it off. And then here behind you've got a demister pad, so when you have a shower and it gets all steamy and hot in here, it won't steam up the mirror. Don't take the mick, we do clean up after ourselves. Give someone a call in a minute. Yellow mate, how do I use this thing here? Alright, that's the end. Okay, sweep up, do you? Alright, yeah. Okay, cheers, bye bye. This one is slightly different because I got this shelf, which is the inspection hatch for the toilet and sink. All the gubbins for the plumbing is behind there, but as if by magic. Right guys, that's the end of the day. I'm home. The boys have come out to see me. They're the new apprentices, so I don't need any more workers if anyone's asking. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and a like. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.